Alright, we're going to be looking at quadratic sequences. These are similar to linear, but the difference is that they don't go up in set gaps. So you can see that this goes up in 4, then it goes up in 6, and then it goes up in 8. So what you want to do, first of all, is write down those initial gaps. And then you want to write down the difference between the differences as well. So this is where this method probably changes from the way you were taught in school, but this is by far the best way. It's going to save you loads of time and definitely the easiest way. And these little formulas are going to help you, right? So first one that we do is 3a plus b equals the difference between the first two numbers, which is 4. A is always half this last number, so in this case it's 1. So we already know that A equals 1. So what you could say is that 2A equals 2. So if this was 4, A would be 2. If it was 6, A would be 3. Alright, so we just plug that in. So that's 3 plus B equals 4. Take the 3 from both sides, B equals 1. So now we know A and now we know B, we just got to find C. So we do that by going A plus B plus C equals the first number, which is 10. A is 1, B is 1, yet to find out what C is. 1 plus 1 is 2, take 2 from both sides, leaves us with C equals 8. We then put it in this formula here, which is not too hard to remember, plus n plus 8. You always want to double check these by putting in some of these expressions, and you do that by plugging in a number. So this is the first n term, second, third and fourth n term. And what that means is, if you put a 3 and replace it by the n, it will give you the number 20. It will equal number 20. So what we'll do is we'll try that out. So if we do 3 squared plus 3 plus 8 equals, that is 9 plus 3 plus 8 equals 20. So you can always double check it, and we know that that's correct. If you want to be super double sure, check for the fourth term, check for the first term, and it should all be good. This second example is exactly the same as the first, so if you feel like you've cracked the code, you can give it a shot yourself, or if not, you can follow along. So between 2 and 9 is 7, between 9 and 18 is 9, between 18 and 29 is 11. We do it again, and we find the difference is 2 again. So right off the bat, we know that A equals 1 from what we previously learned. So we look at the first formula, 3a plus b, equals the difference between the first two numbers, which is 7. 3, 1 plus b equals 7, minus 3 from both sides, b equals 4. So now we've got values for a and b. We've just got to do the last one, which is a plus b plus c equals the first number, 2. A is 1, b is 4, plus c equals 2. 1 plus 4 is 5, take 5 from both sides, c equals minus 3. Alright, so then we plug those values in, so n squared plus 4n minus 3. That's our expression, and we can always double check it. So we're going to throw in value of n as 1, and hopefully that will give us our 2. So we go 1 squared plus 4 times 1 minus 3 should equal 2. 1 plus 4 minus 3 equals 2. So we know that's right. So this is a maths hack. It's going to help you with quadratic sequences. It's a lot easier than the method they teach in school. So if this was any use to you, give it a thumbs up, show it to a mate, and